Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. It's about 20 minutes after market open. Yesterday was really choppy in the morning, so I decided to kind of wait. TruTrade gave us a trading video. I don't know if you recall seeing that video, but basically they recommended that you should wait at least 15 minutes after market open before engaging your bot. So I decided to take that advice today, just because of how the market started out yesterday. So right off the bat, I marked this for you. You don't have to do this. I don't do this. I visually can see this. So I really did that for illustration purposes so you could see. But right off the bat, you see two periods of consolidation. So at this point right here, this is where I turned on my automation, because I saw what was there previously, and I figured, hey, I have a good chance that it's going to break out of this, because the first consolidation period was below. The second one was above it, so I figured, hey, there's a good chance it's gonna go. So I've left the automation on this entire time. So this is 20 minutes of trading compressed down to 5. Okay, so here automation took the trade, thinking it was the long was going to continue, that the market was going to continue to go up, but that was not the case. So you'll see it here. Is going to stop and reverse on us, but technically that is a losing trade. But the DRAM that the software has allows us to get back in the game. So we've gave up our first trade's profit, but we're slowly getting it back. So you'll see it recovered here in a minute, and then you're going to see just a big swing to the bottom. And that always creates opportunities as well. And then it makes a move to the top, and then we get a nice trade there. So really what I want to convey with you guys is to say, hey, the automation works, but you have to simulate. You have to trade in simulation and trade like you normally would. All right? Don't be a cowboy out there trying to think you're going to hit a home run every time and things like that. Just be patient. This was 20 minutes. If this was my profit target right here at 565, 500 bucks, this is a good profit to stop. All right, so don't feel like you have to continue trading. When there's a big move like this, there's always a chance it's going to continue. So I did not stop my automation, and it'll take the trade, and it was actually successful. Then I just kind of kept an eye on it and see what it was going to do. Once I saw that up move, I just let it go. Because as you become familiar with the market, you'll see these periods of up, down, and when you have a nice swing, that's a good sign that it's got some strength, some momentum, and it's gonna continue. So right here, I saw that it made quite a reversal here. So I anticipated again, or had a thought or guess, if you want to call it that it was going to continue going up, being that the previous high was way up over 12,000. So I just kind of figured, hey, I'm just going to let it be. It's still at a nice profit of 865, but I figured I'd try to see if I could catch one more on the going long, and we did. So I'm gonna let that play out while I finish talking, since I only have about a minute left on this video. But again, thank you everybody for all the questions. I do try to respond to everybody. As you know, this is kind of like my little side gig. I have 3 kids at home, 3 foster kids that I take care of, my wife and I do. So between that and getting ready for my full-time job that starts at 8 a.m. Pacific, this gives me the opportunity to trade just before that. So thank you for your patience as I try to respond to all of you. I appreciate everything. I really do. It really means a lot to me that you really are reaching out to me with questions and sharing good thoughts on my channel. So with that, have a great morning. I'm gonna let this play out. I believe this ended up a little over 1600, which is an awesome morning. So with that, have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.